Hey there chart champions! Ready to visualize your data with a scatter plot in Google Sheets? Scatter plots are great for spotting trends and correlations. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through creating your own scatter plot. Let's plot it out. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Jump into the Google Sheets document that has the data you want to represent in a scatter plot. Step 2. Select your data. Highlight the 2 columns of data you want to include in your scatter plot. Step 3. Insert chart. Go to Insert in the menu bar and select Chart. Step 4. Choose Scatter Plot in the chart editor on the right. Click on Chart Type and scroll down to select Scatter Chart. Step 5. Customize your scatter plot. Use the chart editor to adjust the chart's appearance, including titles, labels, and colors, and there you have it, a beautiful scatter plot made by you. If this tutorial helped bring your data to life, please like and subscribe for more chart making magic.